Welcome to our channel, where we share the secrets of becoming a great cook in a restaurant.
Today, we're diving into 7 essential tips that will elevate your culinary skills to new heights.
Tip number 1, master the basics. As a chef, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in culinary skills. Focus on perfecting knife work, mastering cooking methods, and understanding the art of proper seasoning.
Next, tip number 2, quality ingredients. The key to exceptional cooking lies in using fresh, high-quality ingredients. From vibrant produce to premium cuts of meat, let the ingredients speak for themselves.
Tip number 3, attention to detail. Paying attention to the smallest details can transform a good dish into an extraordinary one. Precision in measurements, impeccable cooking times, and artful plating presentation make all the difference.
Now, on to tip number 4, experiment and innovate. Embrace your creative side by exploring new flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. It's through experimentation that culinary magic happens.
Tip number 5, time management. In the fast-paced environment of a restaurant kitchen, time management is crucial. Develop strong organizational skills, plan ahead, and maintain a smooth workflow to ensure orders are completed efficiently and on time.
Next, tip number 6, open communication. Effective communication and teamwork are the backbone of a successful kitchen. Clear communication with colleagues and superiors prevents mistakes and promotes a harmonious work environment.
And finally, tip number 7, continuous learning. The culinary world is constantly evolving, so staying updated is vital. Expand your knowledge by reading cookbooks, attending workshops, and always seeking opportunities to grow as a chef.
So, as you embark on your culinary journey, remember these 7 essential tips. Master the basics, source quality ingredients, pay attention to detail, unleash your creativity, manage your time effectively, communicate openly, and embrace continuous learning.
If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and may your culinary adventures be filled with greatness.